there! Have you ever considered making money on YouTube without showing your face? Well, here's the deal. People all over the world are earning big bucks by uploading simple relaxation videos, and I'm going to show you how to join them. In this video, I'll reveal how you can create high-quality guided meditation videos right from the comfort of your own home using AI tools. No fancy equipment is required, just the right setup and a few easy-to-use tools. And guess what? These videos can bring in some serious cash. We're talking channels making up to $200,000 a month. But don't worry, even if you're just starting out, you can still earn a few $1,000s each month. So if you're ready to dive into this profitable side hustle, stick around and let me show you how to create soothing videos that will have viewers hooked. Understanding the market. Now that we know the potential, let's look at why meditation videos are in such high demand. Every day, more people are looking for ways to relax, sleep better, or improve focus, and YouTube has become a popular stop for this. From busy professionals to students, people from all walks of life search for videos that guide them into relaxation or help them escape daily stress. The beauty here is that meditation videos don't need a fancy production to be effective. Calm voices, peaceful music, and guided scripts are often enough. So, how much can you actually make with guided meditation videos? Well, let's look at some real-life examples. There's a popular YouTube channel called Yellow Brick Cinema, relaxing music, bringing in around $23,000 a month just by posting meditation videos. Another one, Soothing Relaxation, makes over $220,000 a month. Even smaller channels can earn around $3,000 a month just by consistently posting these simple videos. These are huge numbers, but keep in mind that it takes time and effort to reach that level. Finding the right topics. Before jumping into creating a meditation video, it's important to pick a topic that people are searching for. Start by heading to YouTube and typing in meditation or guided meditation. Then, look at videos that have a high number of views. Focus on videos that were uploaded recently and are still getting a lot of attention. This helps you find what's trending now, so you don't end up making content people aren't interested in anymore. You can also narrow down your search by adding keywords like guided meditation for sleep, stress relief, or abundance. Keywords like anxiety or peace are often popular too. For deeper research, tools like VDIQ can help you see how many people are searching for specific terms, which helps you find popular, medium to high overall score that will make your videos easier to find. Once you have a few good ideas, jot them down so you're ready to create videos that meet what viewers are looking for right now. Content creation. Now that we've covered the tools, let's go step by step through creating your meditation content using InVideo. InVideo is great because it guides you through the process of crafting a complete meditation video with both audio and visuals, saving time and effort. Here's how to get started. Begin by logging into InVideo and selecting the YouTube video option. For meditation videos, choose the YouTube template, which works well for this style of content. In the prompt box, type a simple request for the meditation you want to create. Try something like writing a calm, guided meditation script to help the listener relax. Focus on breathing, mindfulness, and letting go of stress. Use a soft, gentle tone and keep it around 5 minutes long. Keep the instructions clear and direct. Be specific so InVideo understands the tone and focus of your meditation. If you want changes, just type what you need. Once you're happy with the final version, you can move forward with the voiceover process. After selecting the template, InVideo will prompt you to adjust some project settings. Add the background music to be slow, calm, and gentle. The language should be in English. Select the subtitle you prefer. For voice, select female with clear American voice for narrator. Choose your media and music preference. InVideo provides various visual options to match the calm feel of your script. The AI will help you look for visuals that complement the peaceful tone of your meditation. Select the options that fits to your liking. Choose your video length. Shorter, calming videos of 2-5 minutes often work well, especially if you're just starting. You can increase video lengths as you get more comfortable with the platform and your audience grows. InVideo will create the video using the script and visuals you set up. Now, review the project to see if any adjustments are needed. You can edit parts of the script, slow down the pacing, or adjust the background to better fit the meditation's focus. With InVideo, planning and creating a meditation video is straightforward and beginner-friendly. Once everything looks and sounds good, export the video in a high-quality format. Congratulations! Your meditation video is ready for upload, and you're now set to start earning passive income. Optimizing for YouTube. Now that your meditation video is ready, it's time to upload it to YouTube and get it noticed. Before uploading, you need to optimize it for YouTube. A well-optimized video can help it reach more people. Here's how to use ChatGPT to help create a title, description, and tags that can boost your video's visibility. Open ChatGPT and type in a prompt like, "Suggest 10 catchy YouTube titles for a guided meditation video focused on relaxation." ChatGPT will give you a list of options. Look for titles that are simple. Use keywords like guided meditation, relaxation, and calm, and feel inviting. If you'd like a unique twist, ask ChatGPT to add specific themes like anxiety relief or mindfulness. In the description, give viewers a quick overview of what the video is about. Use ChatGPT by asking, "Write 10 suggestions on YouTube description for a meditation video that helps with relaxation." The description should include keywords and phrases to help your video rank in search results. Include information on the type of meditation, the length, and what viewers can expect to gain, like feeling calm or reducing stress. To ensure your video appears in relevant searches, ask ChatGPT for help with tags by typing. Provide 10 tags for a YouTube-guided meditation video. You'll get a list of suggested tags like guided meditation, relaxing music, and mindfulness. Lastly, add it to a playlist if you have other similar videos. This can increase views and keep people watching your content. With everything in place, hit that publish button, monetizing your channel. Once you start getting views, it's time to think about monetizing and growing your channel. First, aim to hit YouTube's requirements for monetization, 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time. Once eligible, you can apply for the YouTube Partner Program to start earning ad revenue on your videos. But don't stop there. Another way to earn is through affiliate links. You can link to meditation apps, calming music, or any gear you personally recommend in the description. If viewers make a purchase, you'll get a small commission. To scale, focus on making more meditation videos with different themes, like morning motivation or sleep sounds. This keeps your content fresh and reaches more people. The more videos you have, the higher the chances of consistent passive income. Now, let's wrap it all up. And there you have it, a complete guide to making money by posting simple guided meditation videos using AI. Thanks for sticking with me till the end. If today's insights on side hustles and passive income sparked your interest, then you're in for a treat. Right on your screen is our next video, and it's a goldmine of information on how to 10x your online earnings. I've got a feeling you're going to love it. Go ahead, click, and enjoy.